students, I am Ma'am Dana.
Sir Derek, Sir Aaron, Sir Mel,
And we are
your
Papi
instructors.
For today's video, we will show you the activity 1 of our Unit 3. The following videos are sample warm-up exercises which promote movement enhancement. These mobility and stability exercises essentially activate the ankle, the knee, the core, hip complex, thoracic, and lumbar spine. Besides stability and mobility, these exercises promote or requires balance and coordination too. It is recommended that one performs warm-up exercises before proceeding to the workout proper. Before we start this activity, make sure to ready your timer and your towel. Lastly, your water. This exercise is called single leg stance on all three planes. So this is how you do it. First, extend your leg forward. And then, second is like this. Third, extend your right leg on the opposite side. We will do this 5 times. Again, 1, extend your foot on front. 2, then 3. Second, 1, 2, and make sure to extend your leg. Third, 1, 2, 3. Again, fourth, 1, 2, 3. Last one. And there you go. We will do this on the left side. Same movement. Okay? 1. Extend your arms. Again, second. Side. And extend. Third. 1. Open. And then side. Flexing your shoulders. Again, fourth. Open. And then extend. Last. 1, 2, and 3. Alright. Perfect. That's it. This exercise is called lunges. These lunges have 3 types. First is the lunges on front plane. Second type is lunges on transverse plane. And the last type is transverse with crossover step. So this is how you do it. Okay? So we will do it one by one. First, front plane. 1. Okay? You need to extend your shoulders upward. Second. And inhale, exhale. Third. Inhale, exhale. Fourth. Inhale, exhale. Fifth. Make sure that the other leg is extended. On the other side, we will do it on the other side. 1. Again. 2. Again. 3. That's 2. 4. Inhale, exhale. And 5. That is front plane. Now we will do transverse plane. You step your right foot on the other side and your left arm should touch your right toe. Okay? Transverse plane number 1. And again, 2. Again, 3. And 4. Again, and last. 5. We will do it also on the other side. So make sure you extend your free hand upward. Okay? On the other side. 1. 2. 3. Touch your left foot. 4. And 5. That is transverse plane. Now, the last lunges. It's a combination of transverse plane and crossover step. So, from transverse plane, you will do this. Step over your foot. Forward. Okay. So we will do this from transverse plane and 1. Again. 2. Again. 3. Last 2. 4. Again. And 5. On the other side. From transverse plane and cross over. Transverse plane and cross over. Transverse plane and cross over. Last 2. Inhale, exhale. Balance. Okay. And that is transverse with crossover step.